Hello and welcome to the channel. Today is Valentine's Day and this is a tech channel, so I'm going to tell you how you say Happy Valentine in binary code. So quick explanation about binary. Binary is the way that computers communicate with each other, with you, how you communicate to computers with the numbers 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on, and then like 00110001 means A, for example. Now there's a website convertbinary.com/alphabet where you can find every binary code which represents a certain letter. So what do we need? We need letter H in capital, we need letter A, letter P 2 times, letter Y, letter V in capital, letter A, letter L, letter E, the letter N, the letter T, the letter I, the letter N, and the letter E. All that in binary. So let's see. So we need the letter H. Capital is 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. So that's H. Now we need small a, lowercase a, 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. Need small p. Small p. So each time it's 8 numbers actually. So off, on, off, off, on, off, off, off. Now we need capital V. Now, and that's how you write Happy Valentine in binary. I'm going to put this in the comment section so you can send this to your crush, for example. And she will be like, why is he sending me, or she sending me all these numbers? And then if she's a bit clever, a bit cheeky, she'll know, oh, it's binary. I'm going to convert this binary to text, and then she'll be like, Happy Valentine. And then you'll start dating and you'll have kids and stuff, and it's all going to be my fault. I'm very sorry, but that's how you do it, man. Girl, woman, friend. I don't have a Valentine, so I can rip this apart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.